Look, if you're tired of overcomplicating your charts and making emotional, impulsive trades, let's change that today. In this video, I'm breaking down a highly disciplined, rule-based 1-minute strategy using a custom MT5 indicator designed to map out clean market structure. There is no guesswork here, and definitely no chasing hyped-up promises. Just pure, strict, technical analysis. Before we jump in, we need to address the reality of the markets. Trading involves significant financial risk and is not suitable for everyone. Past performance of any indicator never guarantees future results, so always practice proper risk management. Make sure you watch this all the way through, because I'm going to share the exact 2 market sessions where this setup actually thrives, and more importantly, the specific times you must stay completely out of the market to protect your capital. Let's head over to the charts and look at how this works. All right, let's look at the chart setup. The core rules here are incredibly straightforward. We are looking strictly at a 1-minute candle time frame, and every single execution has a fixed expiry of exactly 1 minute. Now, the secret to making this work is patience. We never just blindly click buttons whenever an arrow pops up in the middle of a trend. Instead, we wait for the market to do the heavy lifting for us. For a buy setup, we want to see the price action drop down and interact with a validated support zone. When the market tests that level and our MT5 indicator prints a clear green buy arrow right near that support, that is our technical confirmation. It's the exact same logic on the flip side for a sell setup. We wait for the market to move up and test a structural resistance area. Once the price gets rejected near that ceiling and the indicator prints a red sell arrow, our entry criteria are met. But remember, even the best technical setups need the right environment. To get the best out of this strategy, you want to trade it exclusively when the market has strong, predictable volume. That means deploying it during the European and New York sessions. On the other hand, rule number 3 is your ultimate shield. You must completely avoid trading during high-impact news events. The sudden, unpredictable volatility from economic releases can completely bypass technical levels, and it's simply not worth the risk. To help you get hands-on experience and test these rules for yourself, I've left the download link for this MT5 indicator completely free in the description below. Now, let's jump into the live raw chart examples so you can see exactly how these setups look in real time. Right here, the price climbs up and hits a strong ceiling, which we call a resistance level. At the exact same time, our indicator shows a red down arrow. This is our perfect signal to take a 1-minute sell trade. But look closely at where the trade actually started. Because the market was moving so fast, a red candle formed instantly, and our trade was placed a bit lower than we wanted. This is the real truth about trading on a short 1-minute time limit. Every single second matters, so you have to be very quick and careful when you click that button. Now, as the trade moves along, you can see the power of trading at the right levels. Even though the price tried to jump back up for a moment, that resistance ceiling pushed it right back down. The sellers took control of the market. This proves why we never just blindly jump into trades whenever an arrow appears. We always wait for the arrow to show up near a major chart level. As the candle finishes, it closes beautifully below our entry point, making this a successful and disciplined trade. Let's move on to our next chart example to see another live setup in action. In this setup, the market hits a key resistance level, and our MT5 indicator prints a red down arrow right at that ceiling. This matches our rules perfectly, so we enter a 1-minute sell trade. But just like before, look at where our position gets placed on the chart. Because the candle dropped too quickly, our execution is delayed by a fraction of a second, forcing us into a much lower entry point than the actual top of the level. This repeats the exact same entry problem we face in fast-paced markets, proving once again why execution timing is absolutely critical. As the trade moves along, you can see how this suboptimal entry point works against us. The market starts to bounce back up, fighting to break past that resistance zone. Because our entry point was pushed too low by the fast market speed, we do not have any safety cushion to protect our position from these small upward movements. When you trade on a short time frame, even a minor delay in your click can completely change the safety of your setup. When the candle finally closes, the price finishes slightly above our entry point, resulting in a loss. This is the honest reality of trading, and it shows why managing your entry speed is just as important as reading the technical levels. Even with a perfect indicator setup, bad entry placement due to fast market spikes can turn a good analysis into a losing trade. Let's move on to our next chart example to see another live setup in action. Right here, the price declines to test a validated support level at the bottom of the structure. At that exact moment, our MT5 indicator prints a clear green up arrow, giving us our technical confirmation to take a 1-minute higher position. However, look closely at where our trade actually gets locked in on the chart. Because the green candle surged upward incredibly fast, our execution suffered a slight delay, forcing our entry point to be placed noticeably higher than the actual support line. We are facing the exact same entry point problem here, proving once again that when you operate on a short time frame, sudden momentum can significantly alter your positioning. As the trade moves forward into its progression phase, you can see why relying on strong structural levels is so critical. Even though our entry point was pushed higher and left us with no safety cushion, the strong buying pressure originating from that support zone continues to drive the price upward. The buyers are completely dominating this candle, overriding our suboptimal entry point by sustaining their upward momentum. As the candle structure finally completes, the price closes firmly above our entry point, securing a highly disciplined and successful trade despite the initial execution hurdle. If you want to practice finding these exact structural levels and master your execution timing on the charts, make sure to download this custom MT5 indicator completely free using the link provided in the description below. If you found value in this real-world breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and follow the channel for more raw, disciplined strategy insights. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing your risk management, and I will see you in the next analysis.